Welcome to our channel, where we help you manage your finances and achieve financial freedom. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you struggling to save money or pay off debt? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 money mistakes you're making and provide actionable tips on how to fix them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your finances effectively and achieve your financial goals. The first money mistake you're making is not having a budget. A budget is a plan for how you want to allocate your money towards different expenses. Without a budget, you're likely to overspend and struggle to save money. To fix this mistake, start by tracking your income and expenses. You can use a budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital to make it easier. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, create a budget that allocates your money towards different expenses. The second money mistake you're making is not paying off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a major obstacle to achieving financial freedom. To fix this mistake, focus on paying off your high-interest debt as quickly as possible. You can do this by increasing your income, reducing your expenses, and using debt snowball or debt avalanche strategies. The third money mistake you're making is not building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a pool of money that you can use to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. To fix this mistake, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. This will provide you with a cushion in case of unexpected expenses and help you avoid going into debt. The fourth money mistake you're making is not investing for the future. Investing is a key part of achieving financial freedom, as it allows you to grow your wealth over time. To fix this mistake, start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Then, create an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The fifth money mistake you're making is not avoiding lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep occurs when you increase your spending as your income increases, rather than saving or investing the extra money. To fix this mistake, focus on saving and investing at least 50% of any increases in your income. This will help you avoid lifestyle creep and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, avoiding these top 5 money mistakes can help you achieve financial freedom and live a more prosperous life. By creating a budget, paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, investing for the future, and avoiding lifestyle creep, you will be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.